Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see another type of data visualization technique in Microsoft Excel. So let's open Excel from start menu, open a blank workbook. We have zoomed it. Now guys, as usual, we insert the data and then we click the chart type. So today we are going to do this in reverse manner. Click on insert and click on this tab, which is known as a tree map. So this is a tree map. Just click on this and you will see a chart is in front of you like this. So now as this chart is completely blank because there is no any data. So suppose I write here in this cell, see if you click the chart, it gives you this cell. So start with this cell, write 10. So as soon as I write 10, I get some data color. Now I am writing 15. So when I write 15, it does not change because when you click the chart, the data selection is only this much. So let's select some more data. Suppose these 5 cells. So now it has taken 15. So this one is 10. The area is given as 10. That is the branch number 1. Branch number 2, it is giving us 15. Suppose if you give more value like 30. So the branch number 3 which is shown here is 30. Suppose I give this branch number 4 as 50. So see, in that the branches are being formed according to their values. Suppose for branch number 5 you give 80. So see, they are just forming it in a particular chart. Now only we had selected 5. Let's go for another maximum selection. Like this will be 5. So the green is 5 again. Then here we will write branch 1. Then we will write branch 2 here. And in this way, suppose we will take it up to 10. And now insert the values 40, 65, 80 and suppose 20. So see, these branches are there and with the help of these values we can represent the data. See, like this. If you click on this 80, it is branch 5. So branch 5 is 80. If you click on this 9 number, you can see its value. Its value is 80 again. So this is this. If you can see this branch number 8, you can see its value is 65. So it is 65. So in this way you can represent this data in terms of this type of chart also, which is known as the number of branches and which is known as a tree map in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.